Hello friends, my name is Anand and welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will be discussing about the differences between system testing and functional testing. So one of the most common interview questions that we will be facing is the differences between system and functional testing. So functional testing, it is also called as component testing, which mainly focuses on independent components of the application, whether the given functionality is working according to the requirements of the customer or not. We will be testing the independent functionalities of the application. Whereas system testing, it is a level of testing which mainly focuses on testing the entire application right from start to end based on the given requirements of the customer. So functional testing mostly focuses on the independent parts of the functionalities, whereas system testing focuses on all the functionalities of the application from basic to end or from start to finish. So functional testing comes under system testing. Functional testing is a type of system testing, or it is one of the testing that we apply while testing the entire system. Whereas system testing, it is simply combination of functional and non-functional testings, right? So these are the differences between functional and system testings. Thank you.